Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and your EIN number in Utah. And this is going to be like a walkthrough tutorial, so click the link in the description below. I'm going to show you on my screen on the Taylor Brands website, and we're going to walk through it at the same time you do it on your computer screen. So by the end of this video, which is like 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to have your LLC and your EIN number completely filed. Like the whole process will be done. So it's super fast and easy. Click the link in the description below and let's just get right into it. So we're going to start by clicking Utah. And now you can type in the name of your business to make sure that it's available for an LLC. And you can just click the stage that you're currently in. And as far as an industry, so for me, I do eyelash extensions, and you could see they have so many options. You can more than likely find a category that you fall into. And now you're going to click if you sell a good, service, or both. As far as hiring employees, if you change your mind about this later on after you file your LLC, it's completely fine. This is just asking where you are at the moment, and you won't have to change your LLC filing or anything like that. Now you're going to use the zip code either of your home address, or like if you don't have a storefront, you can use your home zip code or the zip code of your business, like a storefront. And you're going to click all that apply here if you're selling online, at a shop or store, or on the go. And you guys, today I want you to click LLC and also EIN. Your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So you'll probably honestly need it within this year. And this is why I like using Taylor Brands is right here, because you can basically get everything like business related all in one spot. If you need a logo made or a license for something or anything else here, it's like a one-stop shop for everything business related. So click all that apply, but you know, as far as this video goes, we're just going to click LLC and EIN. This is a survey we could skip, and you found Taylor Brands through YouTube. And you guys, this is just a free coaching program that they're offering you. I always like to take it because first of all, it's free, and maybe I can learn something that helps me make more money. So that's great, right? If you don't want it, just hit no thanks. Now you can enter your personal information. And this is again asking, do you want Taylor Brands to help you with your EIN number? So if you choose to do it on your own, you can. It's through the IRS website. In my opinion, government websites are really outdated and difficult to navigate. And with the IRS website, you can only file Monday through Friday also. So if you're watching this on a weekend, you'll have to wait till Monday. For $99, Taylor Brands will do it for me. I really don't have to do anything besides hit this button here. So for me, it's completely worth the hassle and having to do any extra work. And as far as assigning a registered agent is essentially a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail for your business. So if you live in Utah and you're opening your LLC and business in Utah, you will and can be your own registered agent. This won't apply to you if maybe you live in like some other state like California or New York or whatever, and you're opening your LLC in Utah, maybe for tax benefits, then you would need to appoint someone that lives in Utah. But for most of you guys watching, you will be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So if you forget to renew it, they'll give you a few warnings, and then they'll charge you with a ton of late fees and fines, which obviously we want to avoid those. So if you think you can remember to do it, you can click this option here. If you're busy with your business, you have a lot going on, you might forget, Taylor Brands can renew it for you every single year for $199. And it's just something, a good option to have if you don't want that extra stress. That would be this option here. We could skip on the branding toolkit. And you guys, for just $49, we can get our LLC in just 2 days. Don't need an operating agreement, so we could skip this. I'm going to pass on the information kit. And definitely recommend checking the service out if you are planning to like really get serious with your business and you want to expand and grow. They provide a service to get you organized with all of your bookkeeping, your finances, your invoices, all that good stuff that makes you money. So you know where every single cent is going in your business. Highly, highly recommend checking it out. It's a free trial, and then at the end they give you like some price plans. If you don't want that, that's okay too, and you can manage your own books. Yes, let's get notified about our LLC. And you guys, no need to pay anything extra. We'll just get this light plan here. Okay, so here's what we're paying for today. The Utah state filing fee is $61. We're getting that free coaching program, and then we're getting the 2-day expedited filing for our grand total. After they create your LLC, then they will work on your EIN number, so don't be surprised when you see that second charge come in. It's just for your EIN. Now, after you enter your credit card information, it's going to ask you what address you want to use. Since I'm mobile, I don't have a storefront. I always use my home address, and I've never received like junk mail, spam mail, anything like that. So again, if you're in a similar situation, maybe e-commerce, something like that, highly recommend using your home address as long as it's in the state. And if you do have a storefront, that's great. You can use that address. But that's it, you guys. We're completely done. You can see how fast and easy this really was. But if you do have questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I'll see you guys in the next one.